is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, hello, I'm Keaton. Welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited. I don't even know what year of Vlogmas this is. I'll put it on the screen when I do the math later, but I think it might be like my 6th or 7th year. I could be overestimating myself, but I'm so excited. If you guys don't know what Vlogmas is typically where you vlog every single day up until Christmas, and you upload daily vlogs. So the past 2 years, I actually have been doing week in my life Vlogmas. So I vlog every single day, but instead of uploading them daily, I just compile them into like one long vlog. And you guys seem to really enjoy that, just because I feel like my week in my life videos just became a lot more popular. So this year I decided I'm gonna do a little bit of a combo of both. This year, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna vlog just every couple of days. And so instead of you guys having to wait a week and only having like, I think last year it was 3 or 4 week in my lives, you guys will have a couple days in my life vlog. So I might vlog 3 days at once and then upload it, and then 4 days at once and upload it. I wanna do that because I just feel like a lot of times I think that I'm gonna have a lot going on. I end up having nothing going on, and then it kind of drags out the week in my life video. And anyway, it's a long explanation, but basically I'm just gonna be doing it how I want to do it. I'm gonna upload just every once in a while throughout the month of December so that you guys can see what I'm doing up until the holidays. I'm really excited. I'm home. I'm in bed right now. I woke up so sick. My stomach was hurting really bad last night when I went to bed, and I woke up this morning and it was still hurting. I thought it would kind of go away. I think I ate something really bad yesterday, so I am just not really feeling my best. It's currently 10 o'clock and no, it's 11. Oh my god. It's 11 and I'm still in bed, and I'm just like not feeling great. So I actually Postmated some chicken noodle soup from Chick-fil-A because we didn't have any soup here, and I'm gonna eat my soup. I've been doing some work in bed, so I'm not being a complete bum. I've got my laptop here and I've just been doing some work. Today I have to go to a meeting with my manager at their office, so I'm gonna go to that at 3 o'clock, which I'll bring you guys with me. We are going to finalize some merch. I think like 4 months ago I told you guys I was going to be doing my wrap merch, which I actually have had all the designs for maybe like 2 months now, and I just have to approve different samples and stuff, fabric and things like that, so that I can get you guys some merch. I really wanted it to be ready before Christmas, but I know it won't be. But you guys will be getting not new merch, your first ever merch from me in the beginning of next year, which I'm so excited about. The design that I have is really cute. I have one that is like the wrap merch that I teased on my Instagram, and one of them is a different design that you guys have not seen yet, which I think is going to be so cute and you guys are going to really love it. So anyway, I'm laying in bed and I've got Gilmore Girls on the TV because I'm in my Gilmore Girls era. I've never seen Gilmore Girls before, ever. So I'm watching it all for the first time, and I'm on season 2 right now and I'm loving it. And I'm gonna have my chicken noodle soup. Hopefully that makes me feel better. I just have something in my stomach, and then I'm gonna get up and try and revive myself to go to this meeting today. Okay, I just finished our meeting. I didn't vlog during any of it because I'm absolutely terrible, which is why we're not doing daily vlogs, but I'm here with everyone. Hi. Say hello. We just finished up looking at like merch. I'm not gonna show you the samples because I think it'll be a little scary, but we're gonna start getting some samples soon, and I'm gonna start maybe teasing some designs. That way you guys can like choose different stuff, like what it looks like and stuff like that, even though you guys have voted on polls and stuff before. But we just wrapped our meeting, and now I'm gonna probably go get some food and go home. All right, I am back from my meeting, and I just put a different jacket on because I had a like blazer on, and I didn't want to wear a blazer to church, but we're gonna go to church. Me, Brandon, Destiny, and my friend Poppy, and then one of her friends. We're all gonna go to church tonight, which I'm really excited about. So I'm like literally just wearing the same outfit. I just got these jeans. They're from Shop Alley Grace, and they're custom Levi's, and they're so cute. I am obsessed with them. So anyway, we're gonna go to church. I'll see if I can vlog a little bit there and see if I'll vlog after.
I never blocked anyone. I don't even know how to block anyone. They said you should block them. I was like, talk to a therapist. Yeah, therapist said block. All right, block.
Say hello to the vlog. We're eating tacos, nachos, all the food. Okay, Okay, it's the next day and we went to church last night. It was really fun. Then we went to like that Mexican restaurant and ate, which I really loved, which I'm super excited because I actually have an advent calendar this year. Aloe sent me one and I'm really excited because I never really do advent calendars and I always wanted one. So I'm gonna open up the advent calendar every day of Christmas with you guys, or every day up until Christmas, you guys know what I mean. But I'm actually having a little girls' night over here tonight. I never host people at my place just because Destiny lives in like a townhouse and I love her place and it's just like so cozy, and I have a smaller living room, but tonight I'm gonna host. And so Natalie I think is coming over, but Destiny and Poppy are for sure coming over. We're gonna make sugar cookies and watch a movie and just hang out. It's Poppy's last night here in LA and then she's gonna go back to London, so I'm sad she's leaving. So we're just having like a little going away last night for her, which means I am deep cleaning my apartment. I am such a freak. Does anyone else do this? Like, it doesn't even matter if it's like my best friend in the entire world coming over. I will deep clean every inch of my apartment before anyone I know enters my home. I'm just a freak like that. I don't know if it's the Virgo in me, but I also feel like my mom instilled that in me. Like anytime growing up, like anytime anyone was coming over, my mom was like lighting every single candle, like scrubbing. And so here I am at 25 and I'm doing the same thing. I'm about to literally wipe down all my counters. I've been trying to like organize and stuff in my apartment. And then I'm gonna run to the grocery store, or I'm gonna run to Target and I'm gonna pick up some things for girls' night because we are gonna do like sugar cookies and stuff. So I need to get stuff to make sugar cookies. And I think that's about it. Maybe some like hot chocolate, or, oh, we could do s'mores tonight because I have a little fireplace outside. We could do that. I don't know, there's so many options, but just giving you an update. Wow, Brandon just opened all the windows. We've got some lighting in here. We went to the grocery store. We went to Target actually, and we got some groceries and a couple things. So I'm gonna give you a grocery haul because that's what I feel like doing. And I also got a iced white chocolate mocha. I meant to get a peppermint white chocolate mocha because like that's their seasonal drink, but I forgot to say peppermint, so I'm gonna add some in right now. I order all my syrup on Amazon for my coffee, and I love peppermint. Like I love a good seasonal drink. Like I'm all about pumpkin when it's fall time, and then I love peppermint when it's like winter, Christmas. First thing I got that's not from Target is, it has an animal on it. It is the Bissell, I think is how you say it, little green machine. It's basically like a stain remover. It's like a carpet cleaner, or you can do it on your couch. It like suctions up any stains that you have, but it's more like minor stains. Like I wouldn't say this is necessarily heavy duty from what I've seen, but I wanted to get it so I could clean our rug and our couch, and so I ordered this. This was my Black Friday purchase off Amazon. I also have that listed on my gift guide, which I will have my gift guide for Christmas linked in the description of all of these Vlogmas videos. That way if you guys still need some Christmas gift ideas, you guys can go and check it out. My favorite mix of chips. These are all like hot or random. We've got spicy, we've got hot Cheetos, spicy Doritos, Turbos, Ruffles, lemon Lay's, so good. Randomly got a Pizookie. Does everyone else call them Pizookies, even though that's like not the name of them? Isn't that only the name of them at BJ's? So Pizookie. They're so good, but I saw this at Target and I got this little skillet and you put the cookie in there and whatever. Also, these are so, I'm like super exposing myself. I haven't had an Uncrustable in like 10 years, but I saw these and I was like, these would be such easy on the go snacks. I always feel like I want something when I'm walking out the door and I can't eat it, and Uncrustable is a really good option. Also, who am I? I bought mini Dr. Peppers. As of recently, I've been really liking Dr. Pepper, never more than Coke, ever. But I went to a wedding a couple weeks ago and we were at this restaurant. They didn't have Coke, but they only had Dr. Pepper, and I was like, I'll get a Dr. Pepper. I haven't had one like a long time. And I was like, this kind of really slaps. And so I got mini Dr. Peppers because I'm a new person. I got popcorn in case they want popcorn tonight to watch a movie. Like I said, I love anything festive, so tonight we're gonna make sugar cookies and decorate them. So I got 2 packets of the sugar cookie mix, and then I got some little like icing things to decorate for sugar cookies. So I got red and green and then white. And you guys know I love anything festive, so I saw this gingerbread flavored whipped cream, and I will be putting this on my morning coffee with my peppermint syrup. It's gonna be so good. nothing else exciting other than like I got Coca-Cola, and then I got this, which is just some containers to organize my flour and sugar and like stuff like that, put them in boxes because it's really a mess in my pantry. So I got some containers and that's it. That's all I got from Target. I am officially in my cozy clothes and I'm gonna open up my advent calendar. I don't know if this is gonna be like anything groundbreaking. I should have bought like one that, like, you know, they have like those designer advent calendars. I should have done that, but it's okay. I'm really excited about this aloe one. So open it up. It is pretty heavy. I wish there was like squares big enough that I would know there's some leggings in here or a sweatshirt. That would be an amazing advent calendar. Okay, all right, I'm opening up number one. Just a little small one. They do sell skincare, so I bet you it's gonna be a lot of skincare in here. We have a aloe lasting lip balm.
For me.
It is clean beauty. I know Brandon always takes any lip balm that I get. He runs through chapstick like it is no one's business. I've actually never tried their lip balm. I have some of their skincare, which I really like, but I've never tried their lip balm. Stretch before you go to bed tonight to ease into sleep. Neck stretches, lying twist, cat cow, child's pose, and thread the needle are all great slumber preps. Maybe I'll stretch tonight. Mihara, look over here. Desi Queen and Mr. Mimi Man.
Oh my goodness.
Are here, and Poppy. Poppy, say hello. We are leaving and we're gonna go get In-N-Out. We already went and got In-N-Out and I'm here with Mihara, absolutely. And Natalie's here with
Hello.
Jeff. This is Jeff's first time at my house. I mean, I am beyond ecstatic about this. We're gonna eat In-N-Out and that's all.
Explains the most.
Natalie.
Yeah. Why would you say that?
Because you do.
Give it to you. You wouldn't? No.
I wouldn't say.
I think I do complain a lot though.
I think you complain, but most of it is joking.
But not annoyingly.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. No.
Like,
He just licked my face. Why does it break out in hives?
hey guys, it's the next day. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of our little girls' night that we had. I'm super excited because today I'm gonna go to Melrose Trading Post. I'm gonna look for some clothes. Well, really, Destiny wants to look for clothes, so I'm gonna go with her. I'm gonna head over to Natalie's right now. I just woke up, made the bed, cleaned. I also had amazing breakfast tacos this morning, so I just cleaned up. I need to pick out a little like cash sweats outfit, and then I'm gonna go to Natalie's, hang out over there. I think one of our friends, Wes, is tattooing Nick today at the house, so I'm gonna like go see him while he gets his tattoos and stuff, because I like want to see the process of that. I've never had a home tattoo appointment, so I'm going to change. Oh, I forgot to open my advent calendar. I actually think what is today? I actually haven't opened 2 because today is the 3rd and I didn't vlog on the 2nd. I vlogged on the 1st, which is like confusing because you guys are on like your 4th day. Anyway, doesn't matter to you guys, but I'm gonna open my advent calendar and show you guys what's in it. Let's see, where's 2 and 3? Ooh, 2 is kind of big. We're gonna open 2. What did I get? Performance No Sweat Hand Towel. Okay. This is cute. This feels really nice. You can like bring this to the gym, wipe your forehead, wipe your body. I actually sweat a lot when I do 12-3-30, so, and they don't have towels in my gym, in my apartment, so I need to bring that. Where is number 3? Oh, it's body wash, and it's a little travel size. I actually have the full size of this, and I really love it, but I always need travel size stuff. This is perfect. It actually smells pretty good too. Loving this little aloe advent calendar. This is so cute. It is gloomy and rainy here in LA, but I'm up. I changed, clearly. I like fixed myself slightly, and now I'm gonna go over to Natalie's. Like I said, it's just so gloomy here. It feels like Portland. It just feels rainy and sad. It's so weird because like some days it's like literally like 80 and perfect and I could like go to the beach, and some days it's like super rainy. So I don't know, but I do like it. I like that I have like options of seasons now. I am super excited because I booked a flight to Paris, which I'm just like so ecstatic about. I have never been to Paris. I actually haven't been back to Europe since 2016, so I'm just really excited because like it's more of a spontaneous, random kind of trip for me. Basically, Destiny is going for work, and she was like, if you and Natalie and whoever wants to come to Paris, you guys should book a flight and like come with, because I'm gonna be in Paris for work. And I was like, oh, like I don't know. I just feel like it was too last minute. Like we're going in January now, but she was saying it's January, and I was like, I don't know. You guys know I'm such a planner, and I was like, I just don't think like it's something that I'm down to do. And when I was at home, I was talking to my mom, and my mom was like, I really think you would regret not going. I really think you should go. And I was like, you know what? I always say how I like want to travel and I want to go to Europe. I just feel like for some reason for me, I'm like, it feels so like out of reach. Like I just don't see myself like being able to do that, I guess. But I can, and so I booked a flight, and I'm really, really excited about it, and it's gonna be so much fun, and it's in January, so it's going to be freezing. And I was just thinking about it because it's so cold here, and I'm like, it's gonna be so freaking cold when I go to Paris. I hope it snows. I don't think it will snow, but I hope that it snows. I think it will just rain, but it'll be a lot of fun. And I don't know, I was just thinking about that, and I thought I would fill you guys in because going to Paris is like a really big deal, and we're gonna be there for a week, so I'm just like super excited about it. Bonjour! Oui, oui. Aren't you just so perfect, Jeb? You're just so perfect. You're my favorite. You're my favorite little doggy in the whole world. Hey, Wes. We got the full, I'm vlogging. Sorry, it's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. We got the full setup going on. Wow, this is like serious. Oh, yeah. Natalie decided she wants a letter J on her wrist.
So basic, but I'll do it.
But Wes has decided he'll do it.
The J is for...
The J is a secret. Just kidding. It's for Mr. Man over there. Look, he heard me. The J is for Jeff. Even though I think you really should have tattooed Mr. Man.
Oh.
Wait, what is that for?
I'll do some of this before we get started.
You probably need a little deodorant.
I don't want to taint it.
But what is this for?
Wait, it's backwards.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I want it facing me.
We are back at my home, and we're making sugar cookies. Finally, we're back in business. We got all the things. We got the little cutouts. We got the icing. Cutouts. What are these called? Cookie cutters. Cookie cutters. But you know what I mean. Nat is... Holy.
It's a butter chunk.
We have chunks of butter just still...
It's literally freckled all
like
over.
Like actual chunks of butter.
I'll eat that fire.
So yeah, we're about to make our cookies. Nat is rolling out the dough.
Yeah.
Love that for us. We made all of our sugar cookies last night. How freaking cute are they? We have like so many in here. I was gonna have everyone show theirs. Oh my god, my dishwasher. I was gonna have everyone show theirs, but they're so cute, and they're in this little cookie jar. This is from Pottery Barn. It's like my favorite thing ever. I am up and I'm ready to start my day, and I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas because I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I hope that you guys like the way that I'm doing it. I know it's a little bit different, but I just feel like combining the days is what's gonna be easiest and gonna be best, and that way you guys can get all the content in like shorter videos and stuff like that. So anyway, I hope that you guys like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.